Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today I'll show you Starry Hire, freelancer, influencer, and the job market. This is our admin panel. You can see dashboard, earning, selling price, active listing order, complete listing order, order cancel, complete job, then send or receive amount, then listing order chart, transaction. Another option is profile. You can see your profile information. You can customize, then proposal, job invitation, job order, listing, listing order, payout request, payout logs, transaction, message, message, support ticket, report. If you want this, check out link in the description below. Thank you.